Hey guys, I'm out here at Bodega Bay at Doran Beach. Gonna take a little walk here. In my last video, I mentioned how I can finally walk on the beach in the sand after, I don't know, close to 30 years now. My first back surgery was in 1990, and I haven't been able to walk on the beach in the sand since then because it caused me back pain, back and leg pain, sciatica, nerve pain in my legs. So I grabbed my phone here and I figured I'd just walk around and kind of show you guys the beach a little bit. Have my shoes off, got my feet in the sand, and it feels really good. So pretty nice day. It's not too windy yet. This is a pretty flat, calm beach. The waves aren't too bad. I bought a park pass so there's like about 50 parks in Sonoma County. I guess I can go to any of those. So there's quite a few parks around my house. And I figured since I can get out and walk a little bit more, it'd be more interesting to start going to some of these parks and walking around as kind of some of my back therapy. And it's a lot of new scenery to see, and I figured it would be a lot more interesting than just walking around my house in all the same old spots that I always walk. Bunch of seagulls on the beach here. A couple guys fishing down there. I haven't seen them catching anything. Out there's a jetty, and there was guys fishing for crabs out there. I saw one person pulling a crab. I don't know what those little birds are eating. They're following the waves in and out. It's been raining the last couple of days, but it's pretty nice today. There's some clouds in the sky. It's kind of pretty cold out here though. It's windy and it's a real cold wind, real nippy. So these Northern California beaches, the water's pretty cold and it's usually pretty windy out here most of the time. It's pretty cold out here most of the time. What's this say? Please do not disturb. Marine mammal on watch. This animal is being monitored by the Marine Mammal Center. What animal? Oh, it looks like a dead seal or something. Yep, dead seal on the beach. This is a lot nicer than just walking around by my house for a change. I did order a fishing license too, so hopefully if my back behaves, I might be able to get out and do a little bit of fishing before too long, as soon as it starts warming up a little bit and quits raining. Well, that was fun. I haven't done an outdoor video in a long time, but probably walked about about a mile, I guess, half mile down the beach and back. So I better call that good. I don't want to overdo it and flare myself up. So I will talk to you guys next time. Thanks for watching.